Hello, welcome to our crochet channel. In this video tutorial I would like to show you how to crochet these autumn leaves. It's oak tree fall leaves. You can use it for the decor. Let's start. For the work I use crochet hook 2.2 and crochet yarn 50 grams 170 meters. We start from 13 chains. Make the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Turn, skip one loop, and into the second loop we will make half double crochet. Pull through everything. Now 4 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half double crochet into the next loop. Into the next loop we will make 3 stitches. 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, also goes into the same stitch, and 1 double crochet, also into the same stitch. 3 stitches together. Half double crochet into the next loop, double crochet, into the next loop we will make again 3 stitches. 1 treble crochet, now double treble crochet, 3 times yarn over, insert the hook into the same loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 till the end, and 1 treble crochet also into the same loop. One double crochet into the next stitch. Side of the leaf is ready. Now we need to make top. Into this last loop we will make 5 stitches. Yarn over, 1/2 double crochet, double crochet into the same stitch, treble crochet also into the same stitch, double crochet, and half double crochet also into the same 5 stitches together. Slowly we turn on other side, and now we need to make it similar to previous one. Double crochet into the next loop. Now look at this loop. We will make 3 stitches, 1 treble crochet, double treble crochet also into the same stitch, and 1 treble crochet goes into the same stitch to make it similar to other side of the leaf. One double crochet, then half double crochet, Into the next loop we also make 3 stitches. Double crochet, treble crochet into the same stitch, and double crochet also into the same stitch. Half double crochet into the next loop, and to finish our leaf we need to make slip stitch into the same or into the next stitch. I prefer to make into the same. All done. Cut the yarn, hide all the tails, and crochet leaf is ready. And I also would like to show you how I'm hiding the tails. I usually leave 10-12 centimeters long, my tails. Grab the needle. I have self-threading needle. See, it has a little hole on the top. Sometimes it has on the side. Just pull my thread through this hole and my thread is in the needle. Go to the wrong side of the leaf, let's say, and work 2-3 times back and forth between the stitches. Sometimes it's hard to pull. You can help yourself with the pliers. The harder it pulls, the stronger it will be. 2-3 times and then cut it near your leaf. And work the same way with other tail. Easy to thread, easy to hide. This is the wrong side, this is the face side. You go on the wrong side. Also go between stitches, back and forth. Back and forth. Pull it and tie it a little bit. Grab the pair of scissors, cut it, and our leaf is ready. Enjoy your work, use it as a decoration. Thank you so much for watching